You're probably familiar with the workshop, How to Deal with Difficult People. Do you know who often gets sent to that session? The difficult people. Now, there are valuable skills that can be learned in that class, but here's what can sometimes happen. Difficult Dan gets sent to the presentation by his boss, Oblivious Oliver. 2 weeks later, Oliver approaches Dan and says, "Look, you were broken, so I sent you to that class. You were supposed to get fixed. You didn't. What happened?" Well, the issue here is that Oliver never followed up with Dan to find out what he'd learned and to reinforce his new and better behavior. So Dan just went back to his familiar ways of doing things. See, most people will only change when the pain of staying the same is finally greater than the pain of change. Otherwise, they'll do what they've always done and get what they've always got. The actions of a difficult employee rarely affect just the boss, but also usually impact his or her coworkers and maybe even their spouses and children as well. Yes, proper training can improve the skills and abilities of your employees, but your employees, difficult or even otherwise, must also be willing to change, learn, and grow. And as the boss, it's critical for you to know what they've learned so you can reinforce their new knowledge and skills and get a return on the investment of your training dollars. For Speakers You Need, this is speaker and trainer Ted Janis. Thanks for watching.